Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to turn on your Galaxy A17 without using the power button. This button might be broken, so I'll show you how to turn on your phone without needing to use it. For today's procedure, I recommend charging your phone for at least 15 minutes before starting, because it might be out of battery. So for this, we're going to need the phone's charging cable, and this cable needs to be connected to a computer. If you connect it to a wall charger or a power outlet, it might not work. It has to be connected to a computer. So plug the cable into the computer. The computer needs to be turned on so that the charger has power. Now we're going to press both the volume down and the volume up buttons. Hold both buttons together and now connect the phone's charging cable, which should already be plugged into the computer. When the screen turns on, release both buttons. You can remove the cable now and pay close attention. You need to press the volume down button, not up, but down, right here. Press this button once and now the phone will restart and turn on again. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.